Hi, this is Gaurav. So the problem statement which we were given was uh, a Chinese automobile company aspires to enter the US market by setting up their manufacturing unit there and producing cars locally to give competition to the US and European counterparts. So they have contracted an automobile consulting company to understand the factors on which the pricing of car depends. Specifically, they want to understand the factors affecting the price of cars in the American marketing. Since those may be very different from the Chinese market, essentially the company wanted to know was which variables are significant in predicting the price of a car and how well those variables describe the price of a car. So what we were required to do was to model the price of cars with the available independent variables, and then it will be used by the management to understand how exactly the price vary with the independent variables. They can accordingly manipulate the designs of car, the business strategy to meet certain price levels. Further, the model will be a good way for the management to understand the pricing dynamics of a new market. What we did was first we prepared the data for analysis and then build a model containing all variables and then reduce variables using step AIC and then check for multicollinearity and then use the p-value to eliminate the variables. So in the data preparation part, we started by treating it with missing values, outliers, and duplicated values. So we got some duplicated values, and we get to know that when we see the structure of the data, so it was like for few companies were misspelled. So we then the data and then also created dummy variables to convert categorical variables into numerical variables. And the next step was to build the model, where the most important step was to identify the most significant variables and remove the insignificant variables. So here we took the backward elimination approach, where the first model was built containing all the variables. Then we checked for multicollinearity and the variance inflation factor. We removed the variable which had higher p-value in order of their insignificance. Finally, we built the regression model. So in the final model, we got like 4 to 5 significant variables, like engine location, car width, engine size, and the company name. It was for divided for particular company, like car company name BMW, and then car company name Buick.